Ladies and gentlemen, hello, welcome back to one more tutorial video from Hyperpix. I'm Mary from Hyperpix Productions team, and today I'm back with one of the most beautiful and detailed products which we have created up to now. It's the style of PAW Patrol animation, which is designed with the most excellent details, and it has took about 1 week of our design this time to create everything exactly similar to the original style, and the result is honestly magnificent. We have spent so much time on it, so by using this style you can convert any text you want into this result. Just check out how it works on Japanese. Honestly, it's fantastic. Everything's in separate layers. You can just drag everything, adjust, change, remove. Just follow me to the end of this video and I'm going to show you how to work with it. If you like this product, to download, just refer to hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership, and you're going to access this style, download, and follow me to the end of this video, and we're going to see how we can work with this product. To get started, just right click on the yellow layer and click edit content. In a window which appears right here, we have our text right here, which we can just double click and type your own ideal text, just like this. There we go. And I'm just going to make sure it's in the center. You can also change the font, or just adjust the distance between the characters. Also adjust the bend. Just select the text tool, right click on this section right here. You can increase or decrease the bend. Just going to increase a little, it's okay. Just close, everything's excellent, click save, so we can be witness of our first style. So it's fantastic. The result is honestly brilliant. So one more time, I'm just going to increase the bend a little more. Here we go. So just decrease the distance between the characters, the gap. Just minimize my text a little. I think it's excellent. Just make sure it's in the center, close, and click save, so you'll be witness of my result. So as you see, we have an impressive result right here. Honestly, it's brilliant. The first text is applied, so the tools is in the effects folder right here, which we have extrusion is the 3D effect. Switch it off so your editing be a little light and has more speed. I'm just going to drag it a little down so it's in the perfect place. If we're going to get started with the rest of the layers, for the second text, which is this text on the belt right here, you can easily just control this section as well. For instance, I'm going to type Hyperpix, just like this. I can just bring it down a little. Also, you can adjust the bend, select warp text. Just going to decrease the bend a little so it looks much more brilliant. So also I'm going to enlarge my text. So guys, this ribbon section right here is you can just remove it and drag it around with the text on the top. As I told you, everything's in separate layers, and honestly it's magnificent. Also the reflect behind it with the ribbon is going to move around while dragging. So if you open a group of the ribbon right here, it has the element right here which you can switch it off so you don't have it, or if you think it's covering your text and it's in the background or it's annoying, you can just remove it, or easily you can drag it and move it around, and you can just place it here or here, anywhere you like. You're totally free. It's so interesting ability. I'm just going to switch it off. I think it'll be better if it's not there. So we have the third text right here with the bone in the background, which I can just select and move it around easily. It's so interesting. I'm just going to double click and type my text. Also, you can change the bend right here as well, just like this. And I'm just going to bend the text a little, and here we go, we're done right here. The next section is the shield right here, which is the whole group in the background. Everything's in separate layers, guys, so you're going to be totally free. So also all the items in the background, you have a complete handle and you can edit everything. And this layer is to do with the ribbon. And finally we have the background folder, which are these clouds in the background which you see, and you can just drag them around, move them around, place them wherever you like. Also, you can increase the opacity as you see. And finally we have the background, which is the color of the sky. So also you can have it in a brilliant transparent, which is excellent. I'm just going to switch the extrusion back on. So my 3D effect is added. I'm just going to select all of these layers with the ribbon and drag them down so it be right in the center. All you need to do right now is just switch off the backgrounds, and as you see, you're a witness of a magnificent transparent effect. Honestly, the quality is impressive. I hope you enjoyed the style. We have put the most effort, so it's perfect. If you like this product, check out hyperpix.net, get the VIP membership, join, and you're going to have a complete access to this product and all the other products in Hyperpix. Don't forget to like, subscribe our channel so you don't miss out on our upcoming videos. Bye to one more video from Mary. Bye.